Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Crafting and Crochet with KJ. I hope that you have all had a wonderful holiday season. Happy holidays. This is my second to last, I think, video of 2020, and I have an unboxing for you. This is a Diamond Art Club, and since Halloween, I've taken upon myself to collect the Randal Spanglers. So this one is Cookies and Classics. It's a square, and you can tell that because there's a square there. I did take the plastic wrap off, but I wanted to unbox it with all of you. So let's see what we got. Okay, it's a big one. All right, anything else? Yep. Okay. So in Diamond Art Club, in the box, you get a toolkit. In the toolkit, for the square, there's a tab, there's tweezers, the sharp tweezers. See how it's already cut the bag, so watch yourself in those. Squishy, a pen, some wax, and some baggies. And there was, once upon a time, a 4-placer in there, but I'm not, oh, well now I gotta look. Yep. A 4-placer. So this is my favorite multi-place tool. I feel like I have really good, we've added a lot of baggies. That's nice. I feel like I have a lot of control with that 4-placer, so I use that most often. They also give you a quick sticker for your logbook, or some people put it on the bottom of the box for storage. So you can use it for that. And then they give you the legend. There are 57 colors in this one. It is a 37-inch by 27.5-inch or 94 by 70 centimeter. There's the FedEx truck. I was hoping he would stop and bring me more diamond paintings. No. But this is Cookies and Classics by Randal Spangler. So here's a rendering of the actual artwork. Somebody posted on Facebook today that these little draglings have a name. One of them's name is Dagmar, and that's the female, and the male's name is Dewey. The female has 4 bumps on the tail, and the male has 5. So if I'm looking at that right, and that's all correct, this gal asked Randal Spangler, and he responded. 4 is Dagmar, that's the female, and 5 is Dewey, and that's the male. What I love about this picture, one, I love books, but the renderings of the books, you can actually see a couple of the covers. So I'm going to turn it so I can see it. This guy up here is the Cat in the Hat. This one, time out. Let me see. This one I think is Where the Wild Things Are. And so it's just beautiful rendering of books. He's always got a castle somewhere, typically, and there's always usually a kitty. They're very colorful. The draglings are usually eating cookies. It's just fun, and I'm in love with these little guys and gal. Again, 57 colors. Looks like we're gonna have 3 ABs in here. These are DAC colors, so if you were ever wanting to match up things, this is the DAC code. Anything under 150 though is ABs, or Aurora Borealis drills. They have that iridescent coating to kind of make everything shine and pop. So there's 3 in here. All right, let's take a look at the canvas. It's going to be a big guy. I might have to move my camera back a little bit. The drills are always wrapped up in here too, so let's see what we got. All right. Oh, I'm upside down. Let's slide it around here. See if I can back you up just a little bit. Sorry for the movement. Okay, here we go. We got the clock up here, gorgeous books. There's the dragon. Say there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bumps on his tail. Her tail, that's dag. I don't know. Now I don't know because in the picture it looks a little bit different. So opening it up, we got more books. We got the cookies. You've got the candle with the wisp of smoke, and our first straggling sitting here eating a cookie. I'm gonna roll this way so you can see more of it. And then we keep going here, and we have our drills and our second little dragon here. So cute. Okay, so we got our second dragon here. They're reading the book. We can't see the title here of Where the Wild Things Are, but up here they did get the Cat in the Hat up in that one. So that looks really good. We got our kitten up here. Another candle with the smoke. Just wonderful, beautiful detail. Oh, this one. You guys see that? Green eggs and ham is down here. It's a little tribute to Dr. Seuss as well. So Randal Spangler must love books. But his artwork's just beautiful. Let's see if we can get the whole. This is a self-flattening canvas. I have no idea what it's called. It's got a really special name that I can never remember. But let me flatten this out for us a little bit. Hold on. It's a super soft canvas with poured glue. The poured glue, the difference in my opinion from Diamond Art Club and some of the others is when you are placing your drills, it literally feels like you're putting them into like a cushion of jelly or a pillow of jelly. So I'm just gonna span out here so you guys can see, wow, how big that guy is. How fun. I'm looking forward to it. This will be my next project. Right now I'm working on The Governor's Party by Chuck Pinson. I'm about a third of the way done. It's been a slow go as I'm working on some other projects as well. Look at all these drills. Okay, I'm gonna open these up and we'll take a look. Come down here a little bit so you can, ooh, all right, you don't wanna go any further, gotcha. You can see the drill field here, nice and close. No issues with clarity in any which way. I've got both sunshine and a glare from the light coming in, so I apologize for that, but you can see definitely a great drill field here. The dragons are very clear, books are very clear. I love Diamond Art Club. Okay. As far as the drills, goodness. I'll start with one. Come up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Okay. $8.90 is the dark green. $7.98, $9.45. 2 of 906. $8.23. $8.15. 2 of those. $37.70. That pretty peach. $6.01. $9.07. Bright green. $1.55 and $3.40. Look how close they look. $3.34. Well, that's a pretty cornflower blue. Is that the only bag of $3.10? Hallelujah. Okay, $8.20 is that pretty blue. $3.33. $6.02 is a nice bubblegum pink, and $8.98. This one looks like we have a triple 3 bags of it. $8.14 there. I think Mrs. Crochet and Coffee calls that a triple threat, right? 3826, that chalky color. 3371, which is a dark brown. 141, so this is an AB. You can see how they shine just a little bit differently. There's an iridescent coating on there that makes them pop and makes the other ones shine around it. Use old wax when applying those. Do not dip your pen in wax and then go do that. You'll take the wax right out of the pen and the coating right off the drills. 905, Great Spring Green. 895, that is what I like to call Packer green. That is my green. Huge Packer fan. All right. 300 is brown. 939 is like a navy blue. 728. See, all you gotta do is put this. There you go. 895, 728. Green and gold, man. Sorry. All right, 3325. 321. Ooh, 2 bags of 321. That red. Ooh, 3 bags of 321. 136. Oh, look at that AB. My husband right now is working on a Chuck Pinson, and he has this all over the sky, and it's so gorgeous. So it's like a royal blue with that iridescent, iridescent in there. And then 780, pardon me, 783. Okay. Last, no, not the last. All right, so we have this little sleeve. Our big boys, 938, it's another brown. And then there's 3 of 400, which is like a caramel colored, caramel brown. And then, not our last, goodness, 976, there's 2 bags of those. 904, another pretty green. 301, 3 bags of 301, which is caramel. 797, nice bright blue. 775, which is a mint green. I'm not sure it's coming through. My colors are coming through very good today. 720 is nice bright orange. 210 is a very light pink, almost periwinkle. 209, right next door to that. 3841, 208, I like that. So here, DSC fans. Ooh, there's a straggler. See the little green guy in there? Poor guy, got lost. All right, 208, 209, and 210. You can see the color differentiation there and the shading of the BAC. 3746, and then here's our other AB, 135. This is a neon yellow, and then you put those on there. Very nice. 550, purple. 322, 900, with a little shard in there. 740, 165, and butter. 3837, 758, 413, which is a gray. 318, also gray. 666, bright red. 834, notice how there's very few in these bags, so there's going to be very few of these last bags. 834, 603, which is cotton candy pink, and 414. And looking at our legend, 1, that's the yellow, 2 is the blue, and 3 is the white. So 135, 136, 141. So looking at our canvas here, looking for number 1s. I'm looking. I thought they would probably be in the dragon, but I'm not seeing them there. Okay, and I'm seeing some here in this book here to highlight that. There are 3s in the plate here, so it's going to highlight the plate. There are 3s in the ball down here. And then 2s are going to be highlighting the book. If you look up here, try to get you up there slowly. It's in the sky here, and in the book. 3s are also in the clock here. And then on some of these little jewels and things. Fun. I'm really looking forward to this one. I was trying to think, what am I going to do with all of these Randal Spanglers? And if you've watched my channel before, you know that I'm in education by day, crafter by night. But let's see if I can back out a little more. There we go. I'm a principal right now, thinking about heading back into the classroom. And I think that these would be a lot of fun in a classroom, completed and framed and hung up. So I think that's what my goal will be over the next little bit, is to get this one kitted up and worked, framed, and ready to go in case I decide to go back into the classroom. So just to reiterate to you one more time, I'll let you look at that really cute dragon sitting right there. This is Cookies and Classics by Randal Spangler and Diamond Art Club. It is a 94 by 70 centimeter with 57 colors, 3 ABs, and the dragons' names are Dagmar and Dewey. Oh my gosh, totally missed that one. Now I'm gliding you over here. Look at that. Guys, look. Peter Pan. There's just so much detail to find and to look and see. So, looking forward to it. And now they're coming to the door. My dog is going to go ballistic in about 3 seconds. Here he comes. Just little barks. That's it, little barks. Kind of proud of him. All right, my friends. I am doing the challenge here by Mrs. Crochet and Coffee with a whip and chat coming up for the first of the year. So I'm going to be filming that and getting that posted right after New Year's. I hope that you all have a safe and wonderful New Year's, and that, you know, you do you. We're staying home and we're going to a Zoom party, which could be fun. But you do you, and we'll see you after the new year with lots of crafting and diamond painting and cross stitching and latch hooking and crocheting and all the things. So I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are as well. Guys, happy holidays, and we'll talk with you soon. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and see you later. Have a great day.